몇 절반이 다 남자라고 해도 모두가 사랑일 순 없어 놓치지 말아요 I'm the only one for you 사랑이 바로 여기 있어 우리 만남은 우연이 아니야 넌 망설이지 마 선을 넘어봐 It's gonna be alright 너무 늦지 않게 사랑에 빠져 내게 스며들래 널 떠올래 사랑에 빠져 내 눈빛 속에서 오적해 네 입술을 뺏을래 Kiss me baby 사랑에 빠져 더 깊이 더 깊이 I'm so bad I just want you 한 걸음만 더 내게 다가와줄래 더 솔직하게 네 보여줄래 다가갈게 더 걸음 가까이 널 향해 갈게 내 맘은 날 지켜 사랑에 빠져 사랑에 빠져 내게 스며들래 널 떠올래 사랑에 빠져 내 눈빛 속에서 오적해 입술을 뺏을래 Kiss me baby 사랑에 빠져 더 깊이 더 깊이 I just want you I just want you
好啦，咁今日咧 Jackie 一個人嚟到啦。嗱，雖然喺我哋韓國 style 入面咧，成日都係好國際化嘅，除咗廣東話之外咧，我哋亦都會講韓文啦。但係今日非常之特別，因為訪問呢一對嚟自韓國嘅朋友咧，佢哋可以完全流暢地咧用呢個英文同我溝通嘅，因為佢哋就係嚟自一個喺美國出世嘅韓國嘅 band 嘅團隊，佢哋就係 Royal Pilots 啦。Hello， 你哋好，안녕하세요。
안녕하세요. 로열 파이러스입니다. 大家好。
大家好，
大家好，
係啦，我哋都好同聲同氣，因為其實咧，即係都大家都知道啦 ，Jackie 其實都喺加州讀過書嘅，so I've been going to college in California as well. So
really?
we have been
Which one?
like UC.
UC.
Yeah, UC San Diego. Yeah, so I've
I went to
been.
UC Mount Sac.
Yeah, so we're the UC family as well. So, really, I'm like on Riverside. So we can share a lot of topics today. So maybe first start off, we can have a self-introduction from the group and from each member as well.
All right. Okay. Hi. My name is Moon from Royal Pirates. I play the guitar and I'm the vocalist. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Suyun and I'm the drummer, and thank you and nice to meet you guys. Hi, I'm James and I play the bass guitar.
係啦，咁佢哋呢一個嘅團隊啦，有3位成員嘅 Moon 咧就係一個主唱同埋吉他手啦 Suyun 咧就係一個嘅鼓手同埋有時都會唱下歌嘅，仲有 James 咧就係做呢個低音吉他手嘅。嗱，其實作為一個團隊啦，佢呢個 band 咧其實有3個人啦。講起 band 嘅時候咧，通常大家會覺得會係4個人或者以上。咁其實作為一個3人嘅團隊，佢哋點樣互補長短咧 ？So when we talk of band, usually there are like 4 or more person as well. So being a band consists with 3 members. How does it feel and how do you complement each other?
Good thing about three-piece band is you can hear every instrument clearly.
Right.
And there's a certain groove that can come out of three-piece bands. If you see bands like Rush or Muse, they have that certain, really something groovy about them. So, like having 4 people, it's good too because it's a fuller sound. But us, I think we complement each other by it's like we can really hear each other's instruments really well.
I think he summed it up just perfectly.
係啦，即係佢哋互補長呢個方法就係因為佢哋聽到每一個嘅節奏啦，或者每一個嘅樂器都非常之清楚，所以咧即係當然啦，4個人以上會有好多會多啲嘅樂器啦，但係咧3個人咧亦都係可以咧更加緊密咁合作。嗱，講到佢哋嘅作品啦，即係佢哋最新嘅作品咧，可能大家聽到嘅就會係 Love Toxic 啦，同埋 So Hillbilly 嘅。咁其實咧，大家都聽到佢哋嘅風格非常之多樣化。咁其實你哋想喺你哋嘅作品上面會表現到啲乜嘢嘅信息咧 ？So the latest song would be like Love Toxic and So Hillbilly. It was like very diversity in your composing style as well. So what message or what kind of performance you would like to show it to in public?
We just want the audience to really relate to our songs. but also like have fun listening to it, the beat and everything, and the sounds. So songs like Seoul Hillbilly, Seoul Chonno, that song has a very like, okay, we're all born in these big cities and life is hard, but you know we can all do it. You know, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fun. So it's more like just having fun in the city and just having love for yourself. And songs like Love Toxic, it's more dancey, so it feels more sexy and it's like more singing to a girl. So yeah, both songs are like actually really fun during life. People can like dance to them.
So 我都知道佢哋咧3位成員咧其實各自都有作曲啦，因為佢哋嘅作品入面咧通常都係由佢哋自己作曲嘅。So you usually compose your album all by yourself. So where does your inspiration come from?
It comes a lot from our experiences and what we're interested in at the time. But I think the most important thing for us when we write is just being real, like writing about things that we can really understand, like instead of trying to write something like so obscure that we're not really familiar with. That's our goal from now on, that we want to write songs that we really mean.
Okay.
想繼續聽到3位陽光搖滾男孩嘅聲音，記住聽晚同埋後晚呢同一時間都鎖定我哋韓國 style 嘅節目啦。今晚節目尾啦，送上頭先都有提及過嘅呢一首歌曲啊，喺首爾大城市度出身，都有住一啲心聲想分享嘅。呢一隻歌曲叫做 Seoul Hillbilly Seoul Chonno。 我哋今晚嘅節目，我哋聽晚呢4位主持同埋 Royal Pirates 嘅3位成員都準時喺度等住你啊！聽晚再見。
혼자의 색을 펼치네 쉼없는 나날에 지친 날 위로하는 괜찮네 이동 시간에 널려있는 나 같은 사람들 이건 아무것도 아니야 just the way to go 실패했다고는 난 아직 덜 컸지 또 다른 나를 찾아 달려봐 한 걸음씩 가놓고 떠나보자 지금 누구든 어디든 서울 촌놈이 간다 또 다른 나를 찾아서
上 metroradio.com.hk 或免費下載新城電台 app， 而家無需登入。